Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the Sri Lankan first Olympiad mathematics channel. So today I am explain the question that given in SLMC past paper. So let's go to the question. The following is a coded number coded using dancing men where such dancing man represents a unique digit 0 to 9 and different dancing men represent different digit. So they give the code number Unicode. Which of the following could be correctly decoded number? So here the question give us different actions with the dancers. So when I observe this coding, I can observe. So first I looking at the my answers. So here I can see different number, 5 numbers. So when I check in numbers, now 4 numbers have last 3 digits is same, like 222, like 333, like 444, like 555. So only one digit, only different numbers, different digits. So when I observe the coding picture, I can observe the last 4 dancing men is different. They are not similar each other. Everyone different. So when I comparing with the answers, I can choose the answer A, because in answer A, last 4 digits is not same. So this is the correct answer for this question. So this is the one of past paper in SLMC question. So I request to please subscribe my channel and like this video and share with your friends. So later you can see another Olympiad maths videos in English. Okay, thank you everyone.